Good morning, my name is Inchi Wang. I have a question for you. Do you think foreigners are strange when they speak English with an accent? Or do you laugh at foreigners who speak English with an accent? That's my topic today. I was afraid to speak English when I was still in China. I think this is one of the reasons why my spoken English is still so poor. The reason I am so afraid of speaking English is that Chinese people like to laugh at others' accents. Be afraid that my Chen English isn't poor enough, so I don't open my mouth and shy away from socializing. It all started it's it all started to change only when I came to America. It's a horrible thing when I go back to China. Even if I go out to buy something, I get a lot of English calls. Most of the content is to teach you to speak poor English, so that your English does not have an accent, and the advertisements are so exaggerated that almost almost all of your failures are linked to your accent in English. That's ridiculous, isn't it? In fact, hundreds of pronunciation can be broken down in the UK as can the US. Is it fair to say that all people who cannot speak a good English accent should be loved? That makes the list of names of famous from English-speaking countries seem long. Do Indian leaders speak English without an accent? They are basically grassroots born unable to study English boarding school, so did not develop a poor accent. But as long as you can understand it, I didn't dare to speak at all. I was afraid that my pronunciation would be ignored. Cannot go wrong. Where did you get it right? That less you speak English, the worse it becomes. Language is only a tool. It is a bridge for us to communication.